So you're thinking about buying the iPhone 16 Pro. Hold that thought because the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be the biggest leap we've seen in years. Apple's next Pro model could be the real game changer, with 7 major upgrades that might make the 16 Pro look outdated before its first birthday. From a bold new design to smarter cameras and speedier performance, this might be the moment where waiting really pays off. So grab your techie brain or your popcorn and let's unpack everything we know about the iPhone 17 Pro and why it might be worth the wait. Let's kick things off with the design, and this one's going to split opinions. Apple is reportedly ditching the classic raised camera island we've seen since the iPhone 11 Pro. Instead, the iPhone 17 Pro will sport a wraparound camera block that blends into the phone's back. Some say it's futuristic, others say it looks like a camera belt, but love it or hate it, one thing's certain, this new design will turn heads. Now, let's talk brains. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to be powered by the A19 Pro chip, based on an upgraded version of TSMC's 3nm process, originally rumored to be 2 nanometers. Yes, Apple dreams big, it's now more realistic, but still powerful. Expect about a 20% performance jump, which sounds small until you're editing 4K videos, playing demanding games, or running AI-powered features without breaking a sweat. And that ties directly into one more benefit: better battery life, thanks to increased efficiency. Speaking of performance, we might finally get vapor chamber cooling. This has been floating around in rumors since 2021. If it finally makes its debut in the iPhone 17 Pro series, we could see significant improvements in sustained performance with reduced thermal throttling. But hold your applause, some analysts like Minkai Kuo think it may only come to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If true, that would be a bit of a buzzkill for standard Pro buyers. Next up, RAM. Apple isn't usually the first to play the numbers game, but things are shifting. While both the 15 and 16 Pro had 8GB RAM, rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Pro will jump to 12GB RAM. Wide Apple Intelligence, the AI features baked into iOS 18 and now iOS 26 are getting heavier. We're talking live translations during calls, on-screen visual searches, and even real-time call screening. If Siri's going to become more than a glorified alarm clock, that extra RAM is going to come in handy. Now let's talk cameras, the meat of any Pro iPhone. The iPhone 16 Pro had 8MP sensors and a 12MP telephoto lens, but the 17 Pro is going full for 8MP across the board, including the telephoto lens. That means sharper zoom shots and better detail from far away, but there's a twist. While we're gaining pixels, we might lose zoom. Leaker Majinbu claims we're getting a 3.5x optical zoom instead of the 5x in the 16 Pro. However, Apple may offset this by enabling 7x hybrid zoom thanks to all those extra megapixels. So, technically, you could zoom in and still impress your dog with a crispy photo of a squirrel across the street. The selfie camera is also finally getting some love. Since the iPhone 11, it's been stuck at 12MP. Now, we're supposedly jumping to for MP and switching from a 5-element to a 6-element lens. Translation: brighter, sharper selfies with less distortion, finally making group shots look like people, not potatoes. Charging speeds are also inching forward. The iPhone has lagged behind Android rivals here. Looking at you, OnePlus, and your 100W madness. Apple currently offers 20 West officially, but a new report suggests the iPhone 17 Pro will bump that up to 35 West wired charging. Not mind-blowing, but still a welcome upgrade, especially for people who live on 5% battery and prayer. And while these features individually might not blow you away, together they shape a significant leap from the iPhone 16 Pro. It's like assembling the Avengers. Each feature brings its own strength, but together, they make the phone a powerhouse. We also got a sneak peek at iOS 26, which is expected to debut alongside the iPhone 17 series. There's a brand new liquid glass design, inspired by Visionos, an essential games app that unifies your entire mobile gaming life. AI also gets a boost with smarter translations, FaceTime upgrades, and more visual intelligence. It's clear Apple wants your iPhone to feel less like a tool and more like a personal assistant with a PhD. So, should you wait for the iPhone 17 Pro? If you already own a 14 or 15 Pro and you're not in a rush, it might be smart to hold off. With a refreshed design, stronger AI capabilities, a better camera system, and increased performance, the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be a worthy upgrade. Sure, there may be a price hike, especially with talks of tariffs and global tensions, but you'll likely be getting more bang for your buck. And if you're wondering what's beyond the 17 Pro, well, rumors about the iPhone 18 Pro are already heating up, including a full-screen design and Face ID hiding behind the display. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, we'll cover that in a future video. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss any upcoming leaks and updates. And before you go, check out these videos on your screen right now for more deep dives into Apple's next big moves. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.